Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rizwan and you are watching Habico Properties YouTube channel. If you are an investor who is waiting for Emar's latest launch by this month or from the previous month, especially to the closer area of Dubai downtown, Dubai Creek Harbor, then this is the time where they are going to launch a high-rise building located in Dubai Creek Harbor. You are going to get 1, 2 and 3 bedrooms apartment with the average sizes of 750 square feet all the way up to 1770 square feet with the 3 bedrooms, and you are getting total 8 units of the townhouses, where the built up area of these townhouses will be 3700 square feet. So let's go to the mock-up and see that what kind of the building facade we are getting, what kind of the building structure you are going to get here. So here we come on the location of the building. Exactly, this building will be exactly locating in the front of the water canal, which is very close towards the metro station. As you can see, this is the one metro station. It's upcoming and will be few steps away from your building. This is a kind of high rise building. You are getting 1, 2 and 3 bedrooms apartment. So if we look at the facade, so all of the front side of the apartments, these will be 3 bedrooms apartment, which you can see in the corner, and then in the middle, these all of the apartments are the 2 bedrooms, and then again this corner line is the 1 bedroom. If we go to the back side, then it will follow the same kind of thing, but in 3 bedrooms all will be in the front side, 3 bedroom will not be in the back side. So this is again 2 bedrooms, these are the 2 bedrooms, and this is a 1 bedroom apartment. You are getting modern kind of amenities in this building. You are getting outdoor indoor gym, you are getting kids play areas, reception, 24 hours reception, security. Then you are getting a wellness areas, yoga. So modern kind of amenities Emaar is going to give you over here. So if we talk about the prices are starting from 1.7 million onwards, and it's going all the way up to 4.7 million dirhams. 1 bedroom is starting from 1.7 million, then 2 bedroom is starting from 2.75, and it's going all the way up to 3.75 with the views of the waterfront with the views of the canal. So the price actually will be depending on the view or the height of the floor that you will be getting in this. So if we talk about the building elevation, building facade or views of the project, so basically this is ground plus 4 podiums you are getting in that, and then you are getting 48th floor in total. You are getting in this building a private podium, where they have given you a recreational area for all of the amenities, including the pool, gym, your wellness areas, yogas, kids play areas, a beautiful garden overlooking towards the canal. So as you can see that in the front side of the building, this is the canal, where you will be getting a fully waterfront views, and on this side you will be getting a full views of Dubai Creek Tower, which is upcoming, the tallest tower of Dubai, iconic tower. And then there will be the biggest mall in the world, 5 times bigger than Dubai Mall. It will be exactly on the left side of the building. Then you are getting on the back side partial creek tower views, but on the other side you are getting the boulevard view and the fully waterfront view. So if you notice from the building, this building is having the directly access towards the water canal, the same kind of the canal which you were able to see in the business bay. So it's kind of same kind of canal which is having which is going directly in the sea. So you are getting a kind of areas where you can sit with your families or enjoy. So all of these areas will be fully private only for this community. So you are getting the direct access towards this beach, which is a kind of golden sand beach they have given in the middle of the community to give the access to all of the buildings that they are developing in this. The other buildings which are in the backside, as you can see that to all of the two or three buildings they have given one podium. But in this kind of high-rise building, they have given the podium which is only for the one building. So of course, it will be depending on the occupancy. The occupancy will be as per the building. So there will be no too many people at the same time on the podium. So if you are investor and you want to enter in this kind of community, Dubai Creek Harbor, which will be the futuristic downtown of Dubai in the next maybe 2 to 3 years, or the island which is already developed. So this is the exact right time for you because the price per square feet you are getting over here, it's very reasonable. One bedroom you are getting with the very reasonable price of 1.7 million. Again, two bedroom depending on the view, the price will be as per the view and the floor height. Three bedroom you are getting also. The townhouses which I was talking about, you will be getting on the ground floor facing towards the canal. This is also a good option for you if you are interested to get a townhouse option for your self living or for the investment, because in Emar's building to find the townhouses it's kind of very rare option. Emar doesn't give the option of townhouses usually. Before in the last project they was giving like act 1 act 2 or the Forte Towers, which was launching at the time of 2017 or 2016. At that time they was having this concept and they was giving, but to the new and the modern project they are not giving it anymore. But this is the project where I have seen the townhouse options, but it's only limited options. 8 options you are getting on the ground floor, having the superb area, built up area, and having the 2 floors access. So I am gonna give my number on the screen. If you are locally based, you can call me anytime. If you are internationally based, you can drop me a WhatsApp. I will be happy to answer all of your questions. I will be happy to assist you for any investment opportunities, for any investment options available in the market, which is better and the best for your price pocket, which is best for you if you are looking for the rental yield, which is best for you if you are looking for the higher capital appreciation. So you can contact me anytime. I will be happy to assist you. I'll see you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.